Hi everyone, welcome to Organic Creations. I hope you all are doing fine today. So I commonly get asked, to share something which will give an instant smooth straight hair, and especially for curly hair, frizzy hair, something that will control the frizziness on the hair. So today I'm going to be sharing with you all a very effective hair mask, which is good for all hair types, even people who have normal hair, not very curly hair. You can still use this mask to get an absolutely silky, smooth, shiny texture to your hair. So we'll quickly go ahead and make this mask. Again, we are going to be using fresh fruit for this mask. So for this here, I have my avocado puree, which is excellent, rich in antioxidants to repair your skin, even if to repair your hair, even if you have split ends, you have damaged hair due to any chemical treatments. This particular fruit has a lot of potential to cure that damage and to give you a nice smooth texture. Along with that, we have our aloe vera gel. Again, aloe vera is excellent to soften your hair, to give you a nice straight texture to your hair. So we are going to add that aloe vera gel into our puree of avocado, and here I have some coconut milk. Again, this is an excellent ingredient to give you a smooth, silky, shiny feel to your hair. It works like a serum to give a nice soft after feel on your hair. So we have to go ahead and mix in all these ingredients. Just these three ingredients are more than enough to give you all the nourishment that your hair needs to become frizz free, damage free, and to give you a nice straight after effect on your hair. Now, if at all you wish to, for people who have very unmanageable and very dull damaged hair, you can also go ahead and add 2 teaspoons of flaxseed gel in this and mix it to get a much more lustrous, softer hair texture. So after mixing, this is how the texture of our hair mask looks, which is very easy to make, and as I said, very effective. If you do not want to add coconut milk, you can also add yogurt instead of coconut milk as another option. And if you see, this is a very smooth mask that we have here, which has to be applied and left on your hair at least for an hour to see those amazing benefits on your hair. At least minimum 1 hour, maximum if you can leave it on for 2 to 3 hours will be much better. You can just wash it off after 2 to 3 hours, and do not shampoo your hair after it. Let it stay as it is for the next 24 hours, and after that you can use a shampoo to wash your hair. You will see an amazing change in the texture of your hair. You can use this twice a week. If you're storing it, please store it in a refrigerator, because this cannot be kept out. It contains natural fruit puree, and it does not contain any preservative. So please store it in the fridge and use it twice a week, and within a month of use you will see amazing benefits on your hair. So do give this a try and let me know how you've liked it, what results you have got out of it, so that I can come up with more such amazing videos for y'all which will benefit y'all, and even the making will be very easy for beginners. So if you like what I share with y'all, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much everyone.